Hi, and welcome to a bite-sized tutorial. In this episode, I will cover how to implement a simple smooth camera that follows the player using a Unity function called SmoothDamp, which gradually changes the vector towards a desired goal over time, meaning our camera will gradually change its position towards our desired goal, the player's position. I have prepared a simple character to demonstrate this. As you can see, the camera is currently not following the player, so let's fix that. Start off by creating a new script. We'll call this one Smooth Camera Follow. Open up your script and let's get to the code. Let's clean up our script by removing these two lines, as well as the start and the update function. Create a private variable of type vector3 and call it offset. This will keep the camera at a given distance from the player. Next, we add a private variable of type transform for our target, in our case the player object. Make it serialized for it to be visible and editable in the editor. Add a private variable of type float, call it smooth time and make it serialized. This will control how smooth the camera is. We also need another private variable of type vector3 called current velocity with a value of vector3.0. Now let's add some Unity callbacks. To start, add an awake function where we'll define our offset value. You do this by simply subtracting the target position from the camera position, as such. Add a late update function where we'll update the position of our camera. Let's first create a temporary variable for our target position, this being our player's position plus the offset value we defined in our awake function. And now, let's set the position of our camera, so let's start with transform.position. Type in vector3.smoothDamp, where the first parameter is our current position, transform.position. The second is our target position, the third our current velocity, and finally our smooth time. And that's it, make sure you save the script. Go back to Unity and assign your new script to your camera object, and don't forget to assign the player object to the target slot. There's not really a magic number for the smooth time, but I like a value of 0.25. I already have a script assigned to my player to allow movement, and as you can see, our camera is now smoothly following our player. You'll find a link in the description to my GitHub page where you'll find the script. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.